Hello, I'm Amy Fleming with breaking news live out of Sheffield, Iowa. We have big news out of Sukup Manufacturing today. It's a day we thought would never, ever happen, but here we are. And
never say never, but there are definitely times to say yes. Yes, when we said to safety homes that have got hundreds across the world. When we said yes to conveyors and bucket elevators going into a whole new commercial market. Saying yes to steel buildings. That's been important to our success, along with the Mercy Clinic on site, saying yes to Bintown. But then there are times to stop saying no, like when we went into grain dryers and when we went into grain bins and commercial bins. In fact, the world's largest.
Okay, thanks, Steve. You know, the thing about those bins, I hear you can land a Boeing 757 in one of those 2.2 million bushel bins.
Yes, Amy, but the landing is tough.
All right, folks, it looks like we are just moments away from the big reveal. Stay tuned, because when that cover drops, Sheffield's newest member is going to make history.